Hi everyone, my name is Alexi and I want to talk to you about Hurstbourne Dental Care's reopening. So we are thrilled to be opening our doors again. And there are just a few things that we want to touch base with you on to talk through. So 3 things will be covered in this video. First thing, we're going to talk about Kentucky's reopening requirements. We're going to talk about what Hurstbourne Dental Care will be doing to keep you safe. And then finally, we're going to address kind of how your visit might be a little bit different given the extra safety protocols that we'll be taking. So first things first, recently Governor Andy Beshear announced that dental offices and other medical facilities can reopen if they are able to take certain precautions. These primarily involve things like staff having enhanced personal protective equipment, elimination of traditional waiting areas, enhanced workplace sanitation and hand hygiene. Patients and staff will have to wear a mask or a face cover while in the office. There's some enhanced airflow considerations, and then testing requirements of temperature and questionnaire screenings for both patients and staff. So at Hurstbourne Dental Care, we're going to go far above and beyond these requirements, as we not only want to keep our patients safe, but we also want to keep our staff and families safe too. So here are some of all the things that we're going to be doing. Our staff will be using the highest level of PPE. So that means N95 masks, plus surgical masks, plus face shields, plus surgical gowns, head caps, goggles, gloves, the works. Our office is going to be equipped with high-level HVAC filters and medical-grade air purifiers. We're also going to be wiping down surfaces with medical-grade Clorox wipes, essentially, after every single patient. And then once these arrive, we're going to be using UV light radiation to disinfect all the surfaces twice a day. Patients' schedules, actually, the scheduling of patients is going to be staggered to minimize any kind of patient-to-patient contact. And then while we're working on your teeth, we're also going to be using these things like mouth barriers, essentially, that they're going to be able to isolate the treatment area and cover the rest of the remaining area in order to minimize exposure and any kind of particle disbursement. So we're going to be using high-speed suctions to also minimize particle dispersion, containment treatment protocols, staff clothing decontamination, packaged supplies, disinfections, staggering of employee lunches and breaks to minimize crowding, reduction of water spraying equipment, massive amounts of hand sanitizer, antimicrobial rinses, and really a couple of other items that we have included on our website. So please check that out. So how does all of this actually impact your appointment? Now, you're going to see a couple of differences, but it won't really feel all that different in terms of process. But here's what will happen. So first thing you're going to notice is that our staff is going to be clothed in the highest level of personal protective equipment. Now, don't be alarmed. We're still the same goofy bunch, just with more layers on. So think of us like onions. And then our lobby is effectively just going to become an exclusive nightclub, limited admission. In fact, it'll be a party of just one, since that's there's only one patient going to be allowed in the lobby at a time. And everyone else, we ask that you please keep the party going in your car until you receive a text or call from us, and then we'll be inviting you in. So now the only way to get in, though, into this exclusive nightclub is to have either a mask on or some sort of face covering. So pick your favorite scarf. We can't wait to see what you've got. And then as soon as you walk in, you'll sanitize your hands, duh. And then, sorry, there won't be any magazines in the lobby, and the remote is going to only be handled by the front desk, so we hope you like telenovelas. And then we're going to try to get to know you a little bit better, so we'll send you a text or an email link to answer our COVID-19 questionnaire. It's less than 5 questions, nothing too crazy. And then we're also going to want to know how hot you are, so we're going to take your temperature as soon as you walk in as well. You're going to do a little bit of a mouth rinse when you come in with an antimicrobial rinse. And then we're also, as much as we would love to give you high fives, fist bumps, hugs, we're going to have to keep it a little bit at a distance, at least for the foreseeable future, but we hope that things will get back to normal soon. So our hope also is that all of these precautions are overkill and that they're redundant. And we hope this because there's nothing more important than keeping you and our families safe. So we're taking every measure to do so. And I guess lastly, we really want to thank you for your support. We're a local family-run business, and that's becoming more and more difficult to find these days. So please share, like, and recommend our posts and Facebook and Instagram. That helps us a lot. Refer your friends and family. And then, during these uncertain times, it's nice to have a community that we can all kind of, rely on. So anyways, thank you guys, and please stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you.